Hey everyone, and welcome.
Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're jumping into a topic that is completely changing creativity as we know it, the incredible powers of generative AI. And it all starts with just simple text.
I want you to just think about this for a second. What if the words you typed could instantly become something else? Like a perfect summary, a totally human-like voice, a beautiful piece of art, or even a full-blown movie clip? Well, that's not science fiction anymore. It's what generative AI can do right now. So today, we're going to break down the 4 key powers that make all this happen, starting with the one at the very heart of it all, language.
All right, first up, let's start with the foundation, the bedrock of this whole technology. AI models that are absolute masters of language itself.
These are called text-to-text models, and the idea is super simple. You give them some text as an input, and they give you back, well, better text. It's all about transformation, taking something you've written and making it sharper, translating it, or just reimagining it completely.
And you have almost definitely used this without even realizing it. Think about any service that can summarize a huge article for you, or a translation app, or even that little grammar checker that saves you in your emails. Behind the curtain, you've got these powerful AI models doing all the heavy lifting, making sense of our often messy human language.
Okay, so once AI got a handle on the written word, what's the next logical step? Well, it's giving those words a voice.
And that brings us to the world of text-to-speech, or TTS. The goal here isn't to just sound like some old-school robot reading words off a page. No, the goal is to create speech that sounds genuinely human, with all the natural rhythm and emotion. What's so cool is how this technology has just slipped right into our daily lives. Every time you ask your smart assistant for the weather, yep, that's TTS. It's the magic behind audiobook narration, and it provides these amazing accessibility tools for people with visual impairments. The newest models are just incredible, creating voices that are almost impossible to tell apart from a real person.
So, we've tackled text, and we've tackled sound. Now, let's take a giant leap into the visual world. This is where things get really, really wild.
We're talking about text-to-image models. And the concept is just beautiful in its simplicity. You describe an image you want to see using what's called a prompt, and the AI creates a totally unique piece of art right from your description. It's basically like having an illustrator who can read your mind.
And the best part, you don't have to be an artist at all. All you need is an idea.
So, for example, a simple phrase like, "a robot painting a vibrant sunset," is all the AI needs to get to work. It'll break down those key ideas, robot, painting, vibrant sunset, and then generate a brand new image that has literally never existed before. And this has kicked off a full-blown creative revolution. Artists are using it for inspiration, marketers are creating entire ad campaigns, and writers are finally seeing what their characters look like. You've probably heard of the big names here, right? DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and of course the artist favorite, Midjourney.
So, from a single, static image, we now get to the final, and maybe the most mind-blowing power of them all, bringing our words to life with actual motion.
This is text-to-video, and it is truly on the cutting edge. The AI isn't just creating one single frame, it's generating an entire sequence of them. It's figuring out how things should move and interact over time, all from a single sentence you type. So a prompt like this one is so much more than just a picture of a puppy. It creates a tiny little film. The puppy's actually running, the butterfly is fluttering around, the grass is swaying. It's storytelling from a single sentence. The potential here is just enormous. We're talking everything from making quick social media videos to mocking up scenes for actual movies. The models leading the way, like OpenAI's Sora, Runway's Gen-2, and Pika Labs, are getting better at a truly staggering speed.
So we've just covered 4 really distinct powers. Let's pull back for a second and see how this all fits together.
I mean, what does it really mean when a simple string of text can turn into words, into sound, into a picture, and into motion?
It means we have an entire creative toolkit right at our fingertips, and it all starts from one single input, words. You can start by polishing your idea with a text model. Then, you can give that idea a voice. After that, illustrate its most important moments. And finally, bring the whole thing to life with video. Each step just builds on the one before it.
So, I'll leave you with this thought. For basically all of human history, our greatest tool for building new worlds was language.
But now, language is a direct command to actually create them, visually and audibly. The only real limit anymore is our imagination.
And that's all for this explainer. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really curious to hear what you think. Which one of these AI powers are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below.